I love it. And I use it on my face every morning as part of a face exercising regime. So think about your body and how you start to lose tone in your muscles if you don't work those muscles. You want to do the same thing with your face. Now, I'm not a professional face yoga or face exercise teacher, but I do follow different people, and I have my own practice that I do in the morning. So I wanted to show you about the product. It's very inexpensive. I'm going to do it for you right now, and I'll show you a few exercises to get you motivated. And I'm a very active person, and the most important thing for me is to have really nice hair and skin and to eat really good food so that I can, grow into my age gracefully. So let's do it. I've bought this brand over and over again. I've tried many, but I really do like this one. So I'm just going to put 2 squirts. It's a nice clean container. It is a little bit larger in size, but you go through it. So, all right. Now maybe you know a lot about taking care of your face. Maybe some of this is just extra info. Remember that gravity pulls us down, whatever we're doing. We're moving ourselves in an upward motion. You don't need to be rough. You just need to be gentle. I've never had a problem putting anything on my eyes, so I do it here too. It's just the Rosehip. All right. We don't just take care of our face, we take care of our neck, and we also take care of our chest. All right. Now you are an intuitive person, and if you can start to touch your face and recognize what feels good, I'm going to give you a couple of things to sort of get started. As we age, the things that tend to age first is we develop lines on our forehead, we develop lines around the eyes, so those crow's feet. We tend to get darker here around the eyes, and then this fold here around the mouth tends to become a bit more prominent. It's always the focus for me. It's not something I love about my face. So I'm going to show you a couple of face exercises. Does that sound good? All right. So number 1, I live in a cold climate and my skin is so thirsty. It's unbelievable. So let's do an exercise for each one of these areas. The first one is the crow's feet, these wrinkles that happen here. Everything I show you how to do for about 60 seconds or more. But taking 2 of your fingers and spreading the skin. So what are you doing? You're waking up the muscles in your face. You don't have to be too strong. You're also just getting the blood flowing in your face. And all of the different muscles in your face are attached to another muscle in your face. So you just want to make sure that everything feels that it's active. You might want to put your hands here because it feels good to give yourself a little massage. Massage the temples and the tension. You'll feel your way through once you get going. Gently take your fingers and just run them across your forehead. Do it this way. You're getting your blood to move across your forehead. The eyebrows, people get hooded eyes, so you can pinch your eyebrows to start to lift things up. I'll just do 1 on each side, but again, you'd repeat 1 eyebrow for about a minute. Another cool one here that I think works really well for me is doing this little motion here, rubbing your hands together and going across your eyebrow. Okay, underneath your eyes, you need to be very gentle with that skin, but kind of dance with your little fingers, and you're waking up the blood vessels. That's why it looks dark, because there's no activity there. The skin is so sensitive, you don't want to hurt that skin. And let's just do a couple more. Let's think about this area here. You want to just tap and go all the way down to the chin. And just keep doing that again for a minute or so. And then the last one, which I love, everybody wants cheeks, right? So just take your finger and you start rolling your finger under that muscle there where you see your cheeks. Smiling, and then any other kind of massage next to that, it's all good. And then you can continue all the way down. I do this for about 7 minutes every morning as I'm having my coffee, and by the time I'm done my coffee, my face is totally hydrated. As you can see, I don't have anything else on my face, but thanks so much for watching the video. It's Pure Dior Rosehip oil, and I hope that you enjoy it.